what we do has consequences, and what we use has consequences. And I think it's nice to point out this cognitive dissonance that Greta Thunberg refers to when she says, how do you carry on with your lives as usual, as if the house isn't on fire, as if the earth isn't undergoing these extreme climate changes? How can you just carry on like this isn't happening, this isn't an emergency? Similar situation. So if we really value convenience and ease, and now we're seeing that the pollution is building up and these plastics are having this long-lasting effects on our health and our offspring. They're impacting our endocrine system and our reproductive systems. They're really having significant health effects. Is that really that convenient? Is it really that easy? No, I'd say no. This packaging, this cheap, easy packaging might cost us less in the moment, but it's costing us on a great scale collectively. So trying to keep the bigger picture in view when we're faced with these decisions. This is again when we step back, we take a pause, we close our eyes from the situations and we just come back into ourself, into our sovereignty. We're like, yes, okay, I get to choose. I get to choose what I buy and what I eat and what I use.